Master list versus multiple lists. It's a popular question, and while our system lets you use either method, we highly recommend using one master list for all of your contacts instead of splitting them up. Firstly, keeping your contact numbers down might actually save you money, especially since our plans generally charge by the number of contacts you have in your account. Secondly, a master list can still operate like separate lists, as long as you segment the list properly using fields. Let's take this setup as an example. Here you can see that we have 3 lists, one for customers, one for our recipe club, and one for those in our masterclass series. We could very easily merge these all into one master list, and then create a new field for segmentation. For example, let's call this new field Member Of, and then in this field, we'll store whether they're a customer, a recipe club member, or a masterclass member. Here's what that field might look like. Notice how a contact can have any combination of values here. They can be just one type of contact, for example, just a customer, or they can be in all 3, customers, masterclass, and recipe club. Despite now only having one master list, we still know what each of our contacts are interested in, thanks to our new field, and you can add as many fields as you like. For example, if someone in the recipe club filled in a form and told us that their favourite food was cake, then the favourite food field for them would say cake. But for all the other people on the master list, most of whom aren't even part of the recipe club, that field would simply be empty. Now it's at this point that many people ask about using, saving, and sending to segments. Let's start with searching for and saving a segment. Head on over to the Contacts section, then click the Advanced Search icon. Here we can use the Search Builder to create our new segment. Let's start with a segment that includes everyone in the recipe club. We'll choose the Member Of field, includes any, recipe club. To save this segment, click the Save button and give it a name. We'll call it Is in Recipe Club. Let's make another segment for all of our customers. Click Advanced Search, Member Of, includes customers. Let's save this one as Is a Customer. You can also keep adding to this search and build advanced segments if you want to, such as this one. State is Queensland, Member Of is customers, and dietary is gluten-free. We can save this one as gluten-free customers in Queensland. You get the idea. By the way, you can add to or remove these saved searches anytime. Now let's look at how to send to a specific segment. When sending your email, or SMS for that matter, and selecting your contacts, choose Advanced Selection. Then choose your pre-saved segment from the drop-down. Now click Next. The recipient number shown here now reflects the criteria from our search. In other words, we're now only going to send to the chosen segment. And that's how to use and send to a segment of a single master list.